Hi, it's Freya.
And it's Odin.
So this is just a nice relaxing little video,
Yeah, want to just soothe the nerves.
if you've got any. So all it is we're following the birds here. This was shot in December, and it's just a really pretty winter sunset.
Yeah, it is. It's highlighting the low sun that we get here during the winter months.
And you can see the sea there in front of you. It was quite a calm day today, but if you keep watching, this sunset just deepens into almost like a golden fire.
Yeah, we do get some lovely colours on the sunsets up here. Yeah, they're really lovely.
So it's about halfway down at the moment, so it's got a little way to go yet, but you can just see those real gold copper colours starting.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they come out really nice.
Okay, so basically what's going to happen now is we're going to shut up.
And just let you enjoy the view.
We certainly are. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like. Tell us about your sunsets. Do you get pretty sunsets?
Maybe they're even prettier than these, but I doubt it.
I'm sure they are. Okay, so we'll leave you to it. So enjoy this. Watch to the end because honestly the colours are fantastic. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.
See you soon. Bye.